Dali mo siya madami siya.
I think it's more
Kani
flat.
dali madami.
I don't think it's actually very protection somehow. It's just got the wind.
Kasagaran, unsa may kanang inyong ibutang sa jacket, kasagaran order ninyo.
Ang i-double na mo. Ang plano na ang i-double kani. Dalik sa ilaw.
Depende sa inyo.
How easy does that rip? Is that durable?
Oo.
Try to burn it.
That's cotton.
Actually quite strong because it's cotton.
Ako mo unsa ni kung pareho lang yapon. Murag ginani ba? Kari ato isulod ba? O kami lang
Kana lang mo sa sulod.
This one from outside and inside. Parang sulit ang nito. Murag kami tayo na niyo pulos mo lang.
Kato yung pautana no, kaning violet dito sa gawas wala na niya.
Wala na.
Wala na.
But then he has the extra for the
Wala na.
see this one is extra padding in it there.
Kaya nga pila. Hindi kita kukuha na. Dire kayo. Yung ko na.
It's Thailand or China? Yeah, see how it's compared to there, it's got a little bit thicker to make the collar.
I think it's just the same cloth but folded around 5 times. So ang kani, yung pasin
Wala na siya.
kani siya murag kanang reflectorized silver. Dito na.
Ano po ni ani? Ito na puti.
Nani. Mo ni siya reflector silver mo na siya nani.
Kani siya magyapon.
Magyapon na. Magyapon din. Sige.
So
Di ba dako ra kayo ba kung kani siya reflectorized silver kanila tang gamay nga line mo reflectorized kay mo dako ra kayo kung reflectorized ni siya. Ako ra kayo. It would look too flashy.
Ade, di man dako kayo ang magamit.
What we call council worker.
Pareharang na sila.
Okay mo di gid ako.
Pareharang
Klaro ka din.
Yeah. If all that was reflected, that would be a little bit too.
Yeah, pero kung too flashy mo tag sitong ba.
Part-time, part-time.
Kaning mo gagmay nga line mo yan.
Kana nagagmay.
Reflectorized.
Kana
Kilit-kilit.
Gagmay ka na mga straight.
ito kilid-kilid.
Reflectorized.
Lain kay reflector ng ato kuan eh. Mura tag kuan Robocop.
Kani.
So kung saan na ito ibutangan eh?
O kani sa siyang nipis reflectorized ni kaning straight.
Kani.
Oo.
Lining.
Ang kani.
Dala ka na ang mga color.
Gray.
What do you reckon? They're saying we're not going to make this. This is not going to be reflective anymore. They're saying, what colour do we make it?
What do you think, bro?
Well, me personally. What do it look?
What kind of blue?
Royal blue?
Saan ang royal blue?
Royal blue or
Ito sample ng
You
royal
don't
blue.
have to repaint my.
Royal blue.
This one.
This is royal blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige, royal blue.
Sisi ang logas blue.
No.
Doesn't relate to the logo.
No, the logo's orange and red and white.
How about silver? Just like that.
Or a grey.
Body is black.
Black. Ano? Mana siya? Magkapal mo na sample lang.
Oo, magbuhat to sa sample ano.
Magbuhat yung sample?
Ang bago na ito igo, kaya isa na kayo.
So, pwede magpasok ko na lamidaan kaya one lagi.
Oo, isa pa na lang. Patawag ka na si Pili. Oo, para masok na lang.
Di ba siya mukha ka ng may mukha ba ka ng
Should we put like
malay-malay may large
Medium pink. Toton.
Dito sa mas may
Yeah.
magla.
That actually, even though that's reflective,
Makita ko ba ba?
I mean, samples.
Makita ko dito ko
the
ba?
mesh over the colour,
Large as well.
and it won't make it so bright as well.
Yeah.
It's probably a good idea.
Like this one.
That's probably a good idea. What do you guys think about, like you said,
After the
Pretty
royal
mesh
blue,
over.
medium,
we put something like this.
Malagay kung yun, kung mass production na kuan ba display lang.
I would say
Buhat ni standard size.
Standard size.
Medium, small, pero depende sa inyo.
different.
Oh, okay ra.
So kung
Standard size
dito,
na din, no?
pwede ba
Small, medium,
mga
large?
ana kay lisod man gud kung naman tao nga kung man sa ako ang large.
Lamay, ang babae na mga gamay.
Finished product ng small, medium, large.
Oo.
You can fit a large fits for me, so I just order large.
Na kay large, namoy sample na sukod. Small
Yeah,
one mo niya.
basically you want a small fits basically the girls,
Yeah.
the average Filipino girl, the medium.
Having measured everybody one by one.
Extra small or something.
Yeah.
I be special.
Yeah, she's gonna have
But she's an average size Filipino girl.
Especially mine.
Probably small.
Small, and then my size, your size, his size are mediums, and then you go to the largest.
Alain man sad ang among
You know.
size sa babae.
Big little bit.
Anak
mo,
medium
medium
lang sa
lang sa
babae.
babae.
Alahin na nilang shape sa babae.
Sa babae pina-ana man.
Oh. Coca-Cola.
Probably. Girls are custom made.
Yeah.
For the boys are
Katawag man ako sa among cutter ba para sukdan mo niya. Siya mo kanay.
And are we doing a prototype first? And
Yes.
Okay. That's good.
Ang kani siya din unsa man ni siya? Ikuha na to niya kaning
Listen to it.
exactly the same.
wan lang lagi.
Button?
Pre-
Oh,
Or Velcro, which is
Dito
better?
ba?
Velcro or Velcro na lang.
Wan lang magic
tape.
niya katong padding diri kani ato ibutang.
Nani?
Pwede ni siya pa ninyo? Di na.
Pabilin? Kita ni.
This one? Mine. I can leave it here.
Oh.
That's okay.
It's okay for
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Okay.
Para makuha na mo.
But we don't want all the paddings. We only want the shoulders really and just the elbows.
Ang kani mo ni siyang naipadding gyud.
Kani.
Ana lang na siya.
Oh, kanang.
Apel ra
Mm,
siya.
ana ba?
Mapod ni.
Mo pala sila.
So ang ako ibutang kana lang yung swilas. Dili na tong
Di na to tong class A na.
Yukom.
Is that like this?
Yeah.
Very similar.
Kon, ako sa tawag na kanila.
na swilas lagi. Nakakuha na ko.
Yung first big na
It's just gonna be rubber.
Kind of rubber, slipper rubber.
Oo.
Same one.
Sinilas lang
Lagi,
yun.
swilas lagi.
Mangawat lang tag sa nila silingan.
For your jacket.
Basta
I think we can remove this one.
You can see what type of.
Oh, what are you telling us? I know.
I do.
Putos man gihapon.
Yeah, James, this used to be yours, right? You know.
I will put that title.
You can open it, but that's actually. That's quite nice.
Palagi ko ana.
How about this one?
You can't open it.
I don't want you to say what the phone is. You can put it in something. You always cover it.
That one's not. They're actually just that's actually higher quality. That one.
So kani siya kani ang sa mga color.
Ang wala ra inan nila.
Plain lagi na siya.
Oh.
Plain lang.
Kuha na siya. Linya lang ba para
Ikaw, kung mas gwapo taon mo play, yung sama.
Hindi mabitaw sa ginawa.
Lesser colors, the better.
Very good.
Wala kami dyan. Kanang violet. Mali inanan
Do you reckon it's a lot of colour here? Do you reckon it's too much?
Yeah.
You or do you think it's okay?
Hmm?
Too much or?
Just maybe a combination of two colors.
Parehasan man ato. Parehasan ba? Okay. So wala ni mga siding-siding ha?
Oh, wala na. Wala na.
Hasta ni wala.
This one's going to be royal blue, but you don't want a really bright royal blue, do you?